Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. I've seen tons of products online, but this one stands out. It's simple, well made, and the results speak for themselves. Thousands of positive ratings don't lie. Go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description.
Quick heads up, you'll thank me later for showing you this. I wasn't sure at first, but after trying it, I get the hype. It's one of those products that just works. Efficient, clean, and well-reviewed everywhere. Click the link in the description. You won't regret checking this one out. Before you skip, this might be the product you've been looking for. I've seen tons of products online, but this one stands out. It's simple, well-made, and the results speak for themselves. Thousands of positive ratings don't lie. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone. Hold up, you won't.
Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. I've seen